Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore sales tax nexus settings in Stripe Tax, full guide step by step clearly. To restore sales tax nexus settings in Stripe Tax, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Stripe dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Tax. Select Nexus from the Tax menu options. Locate the Manage Nexus button and click on it. You will see a list of existing Nexus settings. Identify the settings you wish to restore. If you want to add a new Nexus jurisdiction, click on the Add button. Input the relevant jurisdiction details. Ensure that you specify the correct tax rules for that area. If you are restoring a previously deleted Nexus, check for a Restore option next to the jurisdiction. Click the Restore button for the desired jurisdiction. Review the changes to ensure all information is accurate. Once confirmed, click Save Changes to apply the new settings. Your Nexus settings will now be restored. You can verify the changes by going back to the Nexus list. Look for the updated status of your jurisdictions. It's important to test your tax calculations afterward to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If there are any discrepancies, revisit the settings to adjust as necessary. Always keep your Nexus settings updated to comply with changing tax laws. Now, you can manage your sales tax with confidence in Stripe Tax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.